Are you having trouble updating your SoundCloud app on your iPhone? In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to update the SoundCloud app, so you can keep listening to all the great music that it offers. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is pull down from the top just like this. And it will refresh this page and show you all the available updates for your apps. Scroll down and find SoundCloud. After that, tap on it. And then simply tap on the update button over here. And it will start downloading the latest update for the SoundCloud app. If you are having issues like crashing while listening to music, glitches, or bugs with your SoundCloud app, then you have to completely uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, exit the App Store and then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap where it says iPhone Storage. After that, just scroll down and tap SoundCloud. So now what you want to do next is simply tap where it says Offload App. And then tap Offload App one more time to confirm your action. And it will remove the SoundCloud app from your device. And then simply tap where it says Reinstall App to download and install a fresh new version of the app back on your phone. Once that's done, you can use your SoundCloud app without even having to log back in because this process does not remove your documents and data. Updating the SoundCloud app to the latest version can have a number of benefits. First, it ensures that you have access to the latest features and bug fixes. This means that you can get the most out of your SoundCloud experience, as any issues that have been identified in previous versions will be resolved. Secondly, updating your app will ensure that you are using the most secure version of the app. This is important for both personal security and data protection. Finally, having an up-to-date version of the app may also help improve its performance, meaning that you can enjoy better streaming speeds and a smoother user experience overall. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.